Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube. Here I share practical tutorials on AI, machine learning and tools that make your tech journey easier. If you love learning step by step with real examples, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. Imagine asking your AI not just to write code but to update a Notion doc, review a GitHub PR or fetch database entries. With Claude Code and MCP, that's now possible, and today you will see how it works. So first let's see what is MCP. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a universal language that allows AI like Claude to securely communicate with tools, APIs and workflows in a structured way. Now let's understand why MCP is important. Claude Code already helps you write and modify code, but with MCP, it becomes a workflow engine. You can connect Claude Code directly to tools like Notion, GitHub, Sentry, databases, or even your own local scripts, and control everything using natural language. Let's understand the MCP server types. MCP uses the idea of servers. Some are cloud based using HTTP, like Notion or Stripe. Others run locally using standard input output. That's perfect for tools on your own machine or custom scripts. Let me show you how simple this gets. Inside Claude Code, type /mcp. That opens a menu where you can list, add and manage MCP servers. Since I haven't added any servers yet, this list is empty. But after the next video, this menu will start filling up. So that's MCP in a nutshell. It's the bridge between Claude and your tools. And because it's a standard, you don't have to write integration code. You just plug it in and go. In the next video, we are going to connect Claude Code to Notion and Sentry and watch Claude work with real data using natural language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MLTube for more AI and machine learning tutorials.